Hi everybody, it's Doug again from Hucks Marine and Resort. It's the middle of winter time and we're right in the middle of our winter work program here at the marina. Right behind me you're looking at a 1987 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. And one of our projects this off-season is to do a repower from an Envirude E-TEC 90 to a Mercury 90 4-stroke. We thought we'd show you some initial photos as to what the boat looked like before we tackled the job, and of course, show you the finished result. So let's begin. Boston Whaler is one of our proud legacy brands, and what we've found with a lot of our customers is that they really have an emotional attachment to their whaler, no matter what the age. They'd rather keep their boat, and if it needs an engine upgrade, they'd go this route and hold on to their childhood memories, like their first water ski, the fishing trips, the sunset cruises, those days coming home in rough seas, and special times with family in their whaler. So we're inside our heated indoor storage facility getting ready for the installation. As you can see here, we've removed the Envirude E-TEC 90 horse, its remote control and shift and throttle cables and its gauges, and getting ready to install the new Mercury 90 with its new remote control, shift and throttle cables, and SmartCraft system tachometer. Because of the advanced features found in today's Mercury and Yamaha 4-stroke engines, it's important when changing the engine to also upgrade the rigging accessories that go with it. You can see where the Mercury-specific gauges will go in the holes in the dash here. We've removed the old tach, key switch, and remote control and made modifications to accept Mercury's engine-matched rigging. The centerpiece of this Mercury Repower is the SmartCraft system tachometer. In this application, our customer will be able to monitor engine RPM both analog and digitally, battery voltage, the engine's water temperature and any overheat warnings, as well as engine hours, water pressure, oil pressure, and a useful feature called troll control, which allows the driver to increase or decrease engine RPM in small increments by touching the plus or minus buttons without having to use the throttle. So, let's begin the repower. Okay, we are on the river right now, ready for our water test of our repower program on this Mercury 90. And if you can't hear this engine, you can probably barely hear it. That is by design. The Mercuries are whisper quiet, amazing fuel economy, practically emission free, and there's no oil to carry along and top up as the season goes on. You change your oil once a season or every 100 hours, whichever comes first. So let's put this Mercury 90 to the test and see what it can do. So the engine repower program for this 1987 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk and this Mercury 90 4-stroke was a huge success. The owner is going to be ecstatic with the performance of his boat. He's going to breathe new life into his whaler for years to come. So if you're interested in an engine repower program for this off-season for either Mercury 4-stroke or Yamaha 4-stroke outboards, give us a call at the number that you see here or check our website marina.ca. My name is Doug from Hucks Marine and Resort, and we'll see you on the water.